Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well, and welcome to the new update on GLMR. Recently, GLMR has broken out another falling wedge pattern on a daily time frame chart. You can see that for the past several days, it was not able to break out this downtrend and resistance of this falling wedge pattern. We got few rejections here, and one more rejection here, few more rejections here, another rejection here, and this was the last rejection that was happening here on 18th of May 2024, and now finally we have broken out the resistance, and now it is struggling to break out this long-term resistance of 32.5 cents. If we take a look at the 7-day time frame chart, then you can see that GLMR has been previously using this level as a support. This 32.5 cents, you can see it has been breaking as a support here, and before that it has been breaking as support here and support here as well, and now it is breaking as a very strong resistance. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for GLMR that I shared, by the way, in the month of March 2024 on 9th of March 2024, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal sharp pattern that GLMR formed with Bitcoin pair on a 2-hour time frame chart. And this was a complete trade setup. This was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, I'm just going to click this button now. And now you can see that the price line started a very massive reversal from this buying zone. Within few moments, you will be able to watch this move. You can see that how nicely the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. And this was almost 47% pump only on this 2-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signal for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of GLMR. And first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that recently we have broken out another falling wedge pattern. Before the breakout, GLMR was dropped down here at this long-term support of 26.5 cents. If we take a look at the 7-day time frame chart, then you can see that this 27.5 cents had been previously breaking as a strong resistance here, support here, and now it again broke as a very nice support. And now recently, after the breakout, it has reached the resistance, a quite long-term resistance of 32.5 cents. Let me show you the 7-day time frame chart once again. And here on the 7-day time frame chart, you can see that this 32.5 cents has been previously breaking as a very strong support here, resistance here, and almost resistance here, but support here. You can see for several weeks or months, it has been breaking as support here. And now you can see that again, it is breaking as a resistance for the price line of GLMR. Therefore, in order to continue this rally to the downside, we will need to break out this resistance. By the way, the target for the breakout from this falling wedge pattern is here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at 72 cents. And in that situation, the price can also break out this long-term resistance zone that starts from 55 cents and goes to 64 cents. Let me just show you on the 7-day time frame chart once again. Then you can see that this resistance zone has been previously working as a resistance zone here, and here, and here, and before that, it had been working as a support zone. And since we have broken down the support in the month of August 2022, this the level that starts from 55 cents and goes to 64 cents is flipped into a very strong resistance zone. Therefore, if the price moves there, then in order to continue the rally to the upside, we will need to break out once again this resistance zone. And at the same time, we also have a quite long-term support of Ichimoku, bearish cloud as well. That was previously breaking as a resistance, and now we have broken it out. And now the price line of GLMR is testing the support, this level of Ichimoku bearish cloud as a support. And now you can see that it is geared up. And now we will need to break out the upper bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud. That will be approximately at 36.34 cents. Now, if we take a look at the expected inverse head and shoulder pattern that I've been showing you in my so many previous videos, and this was the left shoulder in the head, and this is the possible right shoulder formation. Then once the price line will be able to break out this long-term resistance zone that starts from 55 cents and goes to 64 cents, that is also breaking as a neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. Then after breaking out this neckline, and the target for this breakout will be here And that long-term target will be approximately at $2.54 to $2.60. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.